ingredients right here. This is what we're about to make, so let's get to it. So here's the ingredients that we're going to be using. So I have my steak right here. I have some rice vinegar. I'm also going to be putting the measurement in the description, guys. I have some baking soda. I also have a small amount of baking soda that I'm also going to be using. I have cornstarch. I have some Creole seasoning. I have my stock here. You can use beef stock, chicken stock, any stock. I have some garlic. I have some steak seasoning. I have some soy sauce. Also have some red peppers and green peppers. I have some honey. Also have some oil, vegetable oil. And also have a small chili pepper. You don't have to use this, it's optional. So first thing we're going to be doing, we're going to make sure we rinse our steak. We're going to wash our steak. So we're going to put a little bit of the rice vinegar on the steak. And we're going to put a little bit of baking soda. This helps to tenderize the steak. So now we're just going to add some water. And then you're just going to mix everything together. And you're going to have this sit for 5 to 10 minutes. And this is how it looked after it had been sitting. Now we're just going to wash it with cold water. And that's it. Now we're just going to be adding all the seasoning that I just mentioned. Whatever seasoning I didn't mention that you probably see in here is also going to be in the description. So just check for that, and also the measurement for that as well. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. So we're just going to be pretty much mixing everything together. Once you mix everything, we're going to let that sit in the fridge for about 30 minutes to an hour just to get everything in. This is how it look afterwards. So now we're just going to cook these steak a little bit. So put them in one by one. Don't just pour them in there. Make sure you also save the marinade that it's in, because we're going to use that later. So just cook the steak to however you like it. If you like it medium rare, well done. It's up to you. It's your preference. Just make sure that's what you do. And now we're just going to be taking the steak out. So now we're just going to be doing the veggies. We're going to saute these veggies up. So I added some onions in my veggies. I forgot to add it earlier, but you can also do it as well. You can cut the veggies however you like it. It's your preference. I cut mine like this. You can follow it if you like. So if you want your veggies to be a little bit crunchy, don't let it stay too long. If you don't, then just make it stay a little bit longer. And now we're just going to be adding the sauce from the steak that was left. And we're just going to be pouring that little by little. And then we mix everything up, and now we're just going to be putting back your steak into the pot. And then mix everything. And you're pretty much done, guys. Like, this is so quick. This is so simple. So what I'm doing is some of the sauce that was left from when I made the steak, I just pretty much put that in the pot. You don't have to do this step, but I just wanted to get as much flavor in as possible. You want a good steak. Just mix everything in and you just let that cook for some time. Look at that. Looks so good already. So you can eat this with like white rice, you can eat this with whatever you want. It's up to you. I'm going to be using white rice in this video. See, there you go, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.